Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. Our focus is on calculating a parameter for sliding windows using the runner function. The issue at hand is that the windows are shifting one step along the time axis instead of full day, as desired. Narrator. The result contains windows of varying lengths, which we need to filter out to retain only those spanning 3 days each. Now, onto the solution. By making a small tweak in the runner function and using filter, we were able to achieve the desired outcome. By replacing lag with add and filtering out elements that aren't exactly 3 days long, we obtain the correct sliding windows. Remember, the key here is to generate the sequence corresponding to the desired window duration and then apply filter to clean up the results. In summary, we successfully adjusted the parameters in the runner function to ensure that the sliding windows moved by a full day and filtered out any windows that weren't 3 days in length. This solution provides a robust approach for calculating parameters within sliding windows efficiently. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your favorite data analysis pun. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!